Today's quick English challenge.
Carrots, just picked this morning.
Oh, look at that wonderful fish.
She blank going to the market. Option A is. Option B are. Option C were. Option D have. Think for a second. She is a singular subject, so it needs a singular helping verb. So, the correct answer is option A is. She's going to the market. Simple rule to remember. Singular subject, singular verb. MCQ. The boys dash playing. Here are your four options. Option A is. Option B are. Option C was. Option D were. Pause for a moment and think. The subject is boys, which is plural. So we need a plural helping verb. The correct answer is option B, are. So the full sentence becomes, the boys are playing. They blank watching a movie. Option A is. Option B was. Option C are. Option D has. Think for a second. They is a plural subject, so it needs a plural helping verb. So, the correct answer is option C, are. They are watching a movie. Simple rule to remember, plural subject equals plural verb. The cat blank sleeping on the sofa. Option A, are. Option B, were. Option C, is. Option D, have. Think for a second. The cat is a singular subject, so it needs a singular helping verb. So, the correct answer is option C, is. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. Simple rule to remember, singular subject, singular verb. Quick English challenge. We blank planning a trip. Option A is. Option B are. Option C was. Option D have. Think for a second. The subject we always takes a plural verb form. So, the correct answer is option B are. We are planning a trip. Simple rule to remember. Plural subject equals plural verb. He blank finishing his homework. Finishing his homework. Option A, are. Option B, is. Option C, were. Option D, have. Think for a second. He is a singular subject, so it needs a singular helping verb. So, the correct answer is option B, is. He is finishing his homework. Simple rule to remember. Singular subject, singular verb.